Hey guys, it's Blossoming Jazz, and it is the last day of 2019. There's actually only 4 more hours in 2019, and I wanted to get this video out to you. So, I've been creating a lot of products that I have not been putting on my YouTube. So, I just wanted to share with you some of the stockings that I've made. I've made a faith stocking because, I really embody and believe in walking by faith. Also, these blessed stockings because I feel like I'm super, super blessed. God keeps blessing me. And then I also offer custom tights. So this is what my packaging looks like. And you can email me at info@blossoming jasmine to request a quote if you want custom stockings. Now I'm also doing like custom shoes. If you're in a sorority, I can do Delta shoes. I can do AKA shoes. I also have done, bridal shoes, and these are all on my website. So I can make these custom for you. This shoe is through Picasso, which is a sneaker art bar, and it's kind of like painting with a twist, but instead of a canvas, you are using a sneaker to paint, which is super dope. So you can, again, do custom orders with me. And next up, I wanted to show you these tumblers. Now, the tumbler on the left is a glass stone, and then each tumbler on the right is a Swarovski stone. And this is what the back of each cup looks like. So, my website is blossoming jasmine.com. I currently offer 3 products. You can get a variation of stockings, you can get either a tumbler or a Starbucks cup, and you can currently get blinged out sneakers. So here are some of my tights. I offer both nude and black tights. You can get a Starbucks cup, both the larger one or the smaller one. And I allow you to pick the different type of stone and the different types of colors. Next is my online classes, and I currently am doing, especially with Rhinestones Unlimited, where they're offering me a special discount for my YouTube subscribers. So if you're ready to make a purchase, you get a special discount and you can use it as much as you want, which is the crazy part. So the promo code is Blossom, and it's all uppercase. So BLOSSOM. If you don't want to blanket anything yourself and you want to request a quote, you can just click on the request a quote and I am here for you. So I'm super excited. You guys have an amazing and a very safe 2019, and I'll see you in 2020. Love you lots, guys. Be blessed.